all 7 billion of us on this earth, every single human being has the natural, innate ability to use their intuition, so they're psychic, and they have the ability to talk to or communicate with people that are in the spirit world, or those that have passed on, or those that have transitioned and left us physically, not energetically by any means. Before I read anyone, I do take notes before, as I start to hear, see, and feel information about the reading. My anxiety is here. It's visceral, it's palpable. I get the sweats, I get uncomfortable. My stomach's going, my mind is racing. I recognize, though, that this anxiety is the information that I'm about to give my client, and it's not mine. So once I get to my client, and I'm going to keep my hand here for a moment, when I say to my client, because this is what a reading sounds like, I do not allow you to talk about things. I do not allow you to tell me anything about you. I don't need to know anything about you whatsoever. I will start to tell you what I'm seeing, hearing, and feeling. So I may say things like this. I'm being shown that you work in real estate. I'm being shown that your marriage has been falling apart. This has been 24 years. I'm hearing your husband's name is Jeff. Putting my hand down every time because I'm making the assumption that the client's going to say yes. And every time they say yes, all of that anxiety dissipates out of my energy and out of my being, because that was my client's information. That once I say it and they confirm it, then it dissipates the anxiety. So that also presents the same thing for you. That when you're picking up something else that's happening with someone else, you may not be able to discern that it's theirs and not yours. I do it purposely. I invite in information about you when you're my client. I do. I allow that. That's on me. That's how I work. That's how I filter information. That's what works for me. And I can discern when I'm picking up someone else's anxiety or if it's my own.